Melissa, is it a value positive or negative? Positive is correct. A value refers to something like this. This is an odd, so here's an odd. Starts down, ends up. Alexa, is the degree of this function even or odd? They're talking about degree, so they're talking about the number up there. Okay, they're not talking about symmetry. They're not talking about the y-axis. They're not talking about the origin. Sophia, can this be a cubic function? Explain. No, what? So let's be specific. Oh, that shouldn't be down here. How many x-intercepts do you have, Sophia? One, two, three, four. How many extremas do you have, Sophia? So extremas are in pink. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, because it has 4, this is too many, right? Look back at your chart from the previous page. State the domain, Jovan. Domain is going from left to right, touches the arrow. This is negative numbers towards positive numbers. Integral notation, Jovan? Echo? Good. Ariel, tell us about the range. Integral notation? Margarita, tell us the number of relative extremas in this graph. You're looking at this graph?
4.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 extremas. Alright, this one tells us relative, so that's the snapshot. Leilani, does it have any absolute extrema? We're not sure what happens to this graph. It can go up or down. So determine the number. Number can't be determined. So we could say no absolute extrema. Here's an easy one that you'll know. If I tell you it's a parabola, the graph's always going to open down, so yes, that would be your absolute extrema. Justin, state the intervals that are increasing. -1 to where? Any others? This direction is increasing. So -3. Okay. Also, you want to include all of this part too. So you're basically coming from this side all the way to that point. So my pen's coming from which direction? So can you pick a number? Which means you can pick any negative number. -5, -10,000, so that'll be negative infinity. And there's one more over here. So Justin described negative infinity from the left side all the way to -3. Then this small portion, -1 to around 0.3, and then 2 towards the last arrow. Remember, it's not the direction that it's pointing up, it's just that there's an arrow because you're going to go towards these positive numbers.